Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photopea tutorial how to add background. So for example, I will open image, I will open this image and I will delete in the sky okay, with this magic one. You can click and press shift button to add more selection and then you can press delete button to delete selection. Go to select and then click deselect. If you want to add background, you can go to file, click open and place and you can searching for the background. I will use this background. Click open. Now you can move to the top like this and then open the layer. Move this sky layer into below the background. So that's it for a basic Photopea tutorial how to add background. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.